Hello everyone, my name is Nicolas Larouche.
And my name is Mathieu Hamel. Today we are going to talk to you about the remote desktop software. We will start with the Chrome remote desktop, then we'll move to Log Me In, and finally we'll talk to you about TeamViewer.
So for each of those, we'll talk about some different thing. Four of those are the security of each software, the fluidity, the compatibility, and then some different function that they have.
The first remote desktop software we wanted to share with you is Chrome Remote Desktop. It's easy to use, so once the application is installed on your computer, you just have to log in with your Google account. And then all the PCs or Mac that are linked with your Google account will appear just here. So it's really fluid. As you can see, I'm currently sharing this computer, so I'm remotely controlling for it from my cell phone. A useful function of this software is that you can ask someone to help you by remotely controlling your computer if you have any troubleshooting issues. So all you have to do is to send them a 12-digit number code that is automatically generated by the software, and then they will be able to remotely control your computer from the distance. But however, a serious drawback of this software is that the general outlook is really basic, and beside its basic function, so remotely controlling computer, there is not the extras that are given to you. And this is why we did not selected this software as our first choice.
So the next software for our video is Logmin. So Logmin is a software which is really fluid and easy to use. So when you download the application, you will end with those two windows. They are separated, and you will have your PC on the left, so you will be able to just connect with one button, and then you will have to write your password. You can share files here. You can access to the invite of comments and a few options that will allow you to connect to your PCs. So there you will have a few options. So this is some basics option, some option, information about your account, and that's about it. We can say that Login is our more easy to use and fluid software, but it does not allow people to make a meeting with their friend or their coworkers. So this is a cons. So for final software, we've chose TeamViewer because we think this is the simple to use and the best software you could use to remotely access your desktop. So to use TeamViewer, first thing you're gonna do is go to your browser again, and you're gonna type TeamViewer. So like this, and about the first link you're gonna find is teamviewer.com. You're gonna click on this link, and then you're gonna download it. So full free version. You click on this green button, and then you will have a few steps to do to download it. This is really simple, and then you're gonna end with this screen. So once you have this screen, this is really easy. There you will have your ID that people gonna use to access your PC and your password. And if you want to access someone else's PC, you just enter their code. So this number, you enter it here. So this would be 211 and the rest. And then you do connection. So the software is gonna ask you for the password. You just ask the people you want to enter his PC. You just ask for his password, and you're gonna access his PC. So I will show you how to do it, and I'm gonna access my laptop. So I have it just beside me. So I'm gonna enter the what I see. Sorry. So 868 and then 457. So just enter the ID connection. So ask for the password. I enter it. To connection. Oh, pretty fast. You can see I'm on the other PC. You can see that it's not actually that beautiful. It's less beautiful a bit than Logman, but still this is the best software we can use. So we can test some few software. This is pretty fluid. Same for Excel. So this is pretty good, pretty fast. So if you want to control your computer through your cell phone with TeamViewer, it's pretty easy. So you're gonna need to download the TeamViewer application on your cell phone, and then you can see you just have to enter your ID TeamViewer. So I will enter the one of my computer. Exactly what I see on the first page when you open TeamViewer on your PC. So you just have to add the ID, and then you will be asked to enter the password. So it's pretty simple. It worked pretty well. When you use your cell phone, it's not that much fluid than what you do it with another computer, but you can see it's pretty fluid. I can show you there. I can open PowerPoint. I can use it. It's pretty fluid. I can access everything from my computer. So it's really simple. It works really well, easy. Really good functionality from TeamViewer, as you can see.
So far we have shown you how to remotely control a computer from a cell phone. But now we will switch a bit and we'll show you how to remotely control your cell phone from a computer. So the first thing you will need to do is to install the TeamViewer Quick Support app on your mobile device. It's available both on the Google App Store and on the App Store for iOS device. Once the application is done, you just have to open the application and the software will automatically generate the ID number, and then you just have to enter this ID number on the application that you have on your laptop. So just like this, and connect to your partner. Then you will have to accept the connection from your cell phone and you will be able to use it directly. Once you're connected to your cell phone, there is a lot of options on the TeamViewer. So there is also a dashboard that you can have many information from the device, such as the RAM memory, the battery left, the storage left also. And you can even change some settings directly from your computer. You can also remotely control directly your cell phone, obviously. But since your trackpad or your mouse does not allow you to do as much thing as on a touchscreen, it's a bit hard to use actually. But you can still open apps and use them directly on your laptop, and these apps are directly on your cell phone. You can also take a screenshot of your cell phone, and from the app you can also uninstall them if you want directly from your computer. This is really useful. You can see which apps are in process right now. Obviously, Quick Support is in process since I'm remotely controlling my cell phone. And you can also change the setting of your computer, such as the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and things like this. Since the purpose of TeamViewer is to remotely assist someone else, so it may not be your cell phone, you can send them text message if you want, or you can even call them or transfer them file. You can also send something to the clipboard of the devices using this function. Another useful function of TeamViewer is meeting option. So from your control screen, if you select meeting, you will have a lot of options such as making a phone call, starting a video call, or doing a presentation. Let's select this one. It will directly share your screen with the people that are in your meeting, and you will be able even to annotate your screen such as this, which is really useful. You can also decide to share instead only one application. So let's select PowerPoint, for example. So once this option is selected, the only thing that the people with you in your meeting will see is the application. So in this case, PowerPoint. So you could, for example, reduce the size of the application and still access your desktop without having the people with you know this. If you want, you can also decide to send the file to people with whom you're doing a meeting, or even chat with them, or having a discussion or a video meeting. So this is it for TeamViewer presentation mode. If you want more information about the different software, you can look at this table, which is an exhaustive comparison of the 3 software we have tested. Thank you for watching this short review on remote desktop software. We hope that it helped you to understand better how these useful tools work.
So to summarize what we wanted to show you in this video, we can say that TeamViewer is the best remote desktop software because it is the one offering the more functionalities. The software compared to the other alternatives available is much more focused on health-related issues and also on cooperation between users, thanks to its meeting option.
But one must not forget about the positive aspect presented by LogMeIn, which is a bit more fluid than the other, and by Chrome Remote Desktop, which is easier to use. Also, depending on the function you are looking to get from a remote desktop software, you may want to look at other options also, such as VNC Viewer and Microsoft Remote Desktop.
If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Feel free to suggest any other software that you may have tried in your life before. So thanks for watching and cheers
Cheers
everyone.
everyone!